Hello friends, hope are you all doing fine. One of my friend asked me about how to make the 3D polyline smoother. Okay, actually I have only one option in my occurrence. Okay, I know only one option. That's I am going to show you. Okay, if there any other option available, please let me know in the comments section or send me the link of that one. Today I'll show you how to make 3D polyline smoother. So as you can see, those are the points. Hope you are see this. See this level is 231.555. This one is 231.801. This one is 231.768. That means all these 3D point as those all have separate elevation. Okay, so I need to make a 3D polyline first. 3D poly, I need to type. As you can see, the 3D polyline option has been selected. So now I'm making a 3D poly. So you should remember always when are you going to make a 3D line or 3D polyline. So always should this option is available from the snap. Let me show the snap. So this is the snaps option. Click on there. So as you can see, the note option is ticked. That means the note option is available for making the 3D polygon. If it is not, then it will take another point. Suppose I'm going to make, so see this time no point node has been taken by the 3D poly which I am going to make. I am making this 3D poly only taking the endpoint others option which is been marked here. So now I am going to recheck again the note option. Now see the point has been taken in the node option. So that means the the line will be selected on the point. Okay, always remember you have to on the node option from the snap. So I'm making a 3D poly like this. Let me finish the first one. 3D poly 3D. So my 3D polyline has been made. So after making a 3D polyline, let me check in the 3D view. So as you can see, the 3D polyline has been made in between the points which has been collected by the survey with different elevation. So as you can see, 3D poly has been made. Let me show in the top view. So when I'm going to select the 3D poly, the properties is open now. So as you can see, there is a option fit slash smooth. Now there is none has been selected. If I going to make it quadratic, so this makes you smoother. But for just showing purpose, it makes smooth. If another option is available, which is cubic, it also makes smooth the 3D polyline. Okay, but unfortunately, it will not take in the point in the 3D poly. If anyone need to make the 3D poly above the points, it will not possible. If there any other option available, please let me know. Okay, if you like this, then like this one, share it and comments in the below if you have any kind of doubt. Thank you so much.